If you haven't noticed already, Google Classroom released a new feature which allows teachers to schedule posts across multiple classes. To use this new time-saving feature, create an assignment as you normally would. Select the classes you'd like to schedule this assignment for. Click on the drop-down menu to the right of Assign, click Schedule. Teachers have the option to select a different publish date, due date, and topic for each individual class. Or teachers can set a schedule for one and click the button Copy Settings to All, which will copy over to the remaining classes. When ready, click Schedule. It's important to note that once an assignment has been scheduled, teachers can make edits, but they must go into each individual class to do that. Co-teachers also have the ability to schedule posts to one or multiple classes as well. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.